Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to sync Instagram contacts on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now scroll down and click on Instagram. Once you click on that, locate contacts, click on it and choose full access. Then click on allow full access. Now go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Click on menu at the top right. Now you want to scroll down and click on account center. Under account center, scroll down to account settings, locate and click on your information and permissions. Then locate upload contacts and click on that. Then select your Instagram name here if you have your Instagram and Facebook account linked together. Now go ahead and turn on connect contact. If this is disabled, just go ahead and turn this on and then you should see contact connected. And that is it. So that's basically how to sync Instagram contact. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.